train is coming back. I see that. You see the headline? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll either think about it. This is the wow. Do not move the car, Eddie. The train is coming back. No! Woo! Ouch. Don't move the car. The train is coming back, maybe. Huh?
I'm warming it up.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right, there's the light. Now you just have to start it. The light is coming on. It is coming on. Yeah, not yet. Squeaky car. Huh? Easy. It started to rain. It is starting to rain. I don't want to put my head in the window. Don't worry. Everything is going to be okay. What? It's another one. It's coming again. Yep. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, it's coming. It is going fast. I think so. Whoa. 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 Oh, we're gonna just go to another crossing again. Oh, what? Oh, wow, wow, wow. Really long train. Oh, it just came 2 times. Wow. We just had to wait there until 8:30 train comes. Nicely quit. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Don't worry, I know it's just taking it out. Wow. Whoa. Oh, my hair is wet. You see it? The train is going through. Wow, that is a very long train. Bent over. You gotta be kidding me. It just bent coming over there. I thought it was coming back, but it didn't. No. But it just did. Oh, 2 bells just came times. Ton of bell ding ding 2 times. Ton of ding ding 2. 2 ding dings. Oh, wow. Holy mother of God. Silly train. Oh my God. Whoa. What? I need my hood up. Oh, that's better. What? Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, that a bird sing. Whoa. Oh my God. This is a long train. See, I just believed the train just came. Oh my God, I'm so silly. Just came back again. That's so cute. The lights are on and it's switching. Yeah, the lights are switching. Yep. Huh? I'm not gonna stop the video.
Did you know? I said the train's long.
Wow, that's real. What?
You count the cars. You count each car on the train.
Look at this long car. That's right, that's cool. The train is going faster. It is going a little fast. Wow, that is a very long train. It's not gonna derail. You're right, it's not derailing. See? Wow, that is a very long train. Oh, that's a lot of cars. Jeez, yeah, that's too many cars. They have to deliver all the cargoes. They do have to deliver all the cargoes. That's too many. Another crossing. Yeah, you gotta go down crossing. Alright, roll my straight. Bye, Trey! Bye, Trey! See you on Saturday! Come again, Trey! Bye! Oh my goodness, let's see the gates go up, Eddie! Alright.